Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Overnight, Nasdaq going back up here towards these highs again. 30,000 area. 30,000, baby. Being the high from the Sunday night open. So far, we had Friday kind of high there as well. So right now, just push it back up here. Hold it up at least for now. We got a lot of stuff going on this week. Got a lot of stuff going on this week. That's right. We got news. We got action. Today we've got S&P Global PMI number. S&P Global PMI number today. 9:45. We got 10 o'clock numbers as well. 9:45, 10 o'clock numbers here today. Data coming out later on. So we got some data. We got some data. We got some numbers. So keep that in mind. Data, data, data. We have a lot of news today, Robert said. Yes, Robert, we have a lot of news. A lot of news. Nasdaq still pumping here. Still pumping up. 9:30 now. Let's go. We've also got more news as well surrounding the BDH Guru battle. The battle of the gurus, they call it. That's right. The BDH Cup. The BDH Legends Cup. It's going down like Donkey Kong. Check this out. The Legends Cup. We've got 32 influencers trading head to head, battling it out. Who will be on top? Who will walk away with $20,000, $10,000 for their community, $10,000 in cash? It's happening. It's happening. We got D-Money, we got Denny in there. I'm the host, so I won't be trading in the tournament. You know, it'd be weird to be the host and the trader, but we're getting ready here. Market open up very soon. Very soon. Niles said, "Can you participate?" No, the tournament it's only 32 traders, so 32 influencers on there. So we'll see. The bracket is set head to head. Who walks away with the dollar bills? Dollar bills. Who got the American flag is my question. Did nobody get the American flag? Oh yeah, Lumi got the American flag. How the fuck? How did Lumi get the American flag? She's not even American. Oh man. Yeah, you got Brian Stonk. Brian Stonk competing. Got Damn Good Trading. Cove Trader, SK, Stephen Kalajian, Kellyanne. All the biggest and the largest, that's right. It's going down. The BDH battle. Starts today. You got 2 days of trading. July 6th, July 7th. We're getting it going. Getting it going. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. How y'all doing? We're back. It's Mega Money Mondays. Monday has never been so good. Man, do you guys see, I was talking about it a little bit last night, but fucking Newport Beach over the weekend, July 4th, they were going crazy. This is where I'm gonna be moving to. We just got a house in Newport. Look at this craziness. Oh my Lord. July 4th, Newport Beach. Absolutely insane. Very bad price action during London. Crazy work. 4th of July, Newport Beach, going crazy. Going crazy. Home sweet home. Are either you or Victoria from Cali? No. Victoria's from Canada. I'm from Florida, so. God. All right, getting ready here for market open. Getting ready. Waiting, watching. All right, like I said earlier, we do have news this morning. We got S&P Global PMI number, PMI final at 945, right? We got a lot of deals hitting the board right now. We've got the Lucid Pro account, 40% off. They changed some rules too. They got rid of the daily loss limit. So the Lucid Pro account right now, 40% off. You got that going on. You got to take Profit Trader, 40% off, no activation fee as well. And then Tradeify, 40% off. Everybody's 40% off. Crazy. A lot of 40% deals hitting the board right now. You can always keep up to date on the latest and greatest deals, compare prop firms and all that fun stuff at onlypropfirms.com. The biggest, the largest. We've got deals, we've got giveaways, we got all the action. Check out the news in the morning, see what news is coming out. You can see there July 6th. We got S&P Global numbers at 9:45. We got 10 o'clock numbers here as well. So if you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, go ahead and blow it up. It's free to like, free to subscribe. We got 179 likes here. We got to get more likes than that, people. Come on now. Come on now. Is it going to be a dump day or a pump day? Good question. I feel like it's setting up for a good dump day, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Got a busy day today. Not too busy, just kind of same old Monday. Working. Just working. What'd you guys do this weekend? Who did something crazy this weekend? Anybody? Anybody blew their hand up or anything? Anything funny? Any good stories? Anybody do anything at all? Anybody do anything at all? Any good stories? Who's got a good story from the weekend? It's 4th of July weekend here in the USA. I know somebody did something. I know y'all did something. Y'all must have done something this weekend. Who had the best story of the weekend? First off, who got laid? Josh pretended that he was Harry Potter. Oh, that's kind of weird. Josh, you Harry Potter motherfucker. All right, we're pulling up the leaderboard here. This is the leaderboard for the tournament. Let's see if we're gonna get should be updated hourly. Last updated at 9:07. I don't think anybody's put the trade on yet. I don't think anybody's putting on a trade yet. We got 32. We got 32 traders, 32 influencers battling it out. Everyone has a $25,000 account. No maximum loss. You can only trade 2 minis or 20 micros. So let's see who comes out on top. Let's see who comes out on top. Big shout out to D Money and Denny. You better fucking win, boys. You better win. Mark NQ said he won $9,000 on slots. What the fuck have you been doing? What have you been doing, man? You crazy motherfucker. $9,000 in slots. Hi, Patrick. How do you learn to trade from someone who knows? The fuck does that mean? Hi, Patrick. How do you learn how to trade from someone who knows? What? Is Legends Trading a prop firm or just for a competition? It's a prop firm. Legends Trading is an actual prop firm. They are currently 30% off for Legends Trading. What other stuff do you usually do for work after live streams? We'll have meetings. We'll have, just stuff going on with Warbucks, the business, marketing. And then I've got all the trophy truck stuff going on as well. So like today, I'm actually driving 2 hours to go pick up a trailer later on. I'm gonna go pick up a new trailer for the racing team. So always got something going on, you know. Always got something. Right now, Lucid, that 40% off deal at Lucid. I'm not gonna lie, I grabbed some accounts. I did. I got some accounts, boys, because I mean this deal just seems too good to be true. 40% off. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. I like to party. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Baby. What are the rules for Lucid? Well, I mean, it's, whatever the rules you want to do. Hey, PW, could you please explain how Legacy Apex account works? I can't. I'm not the customer service at Apex, to be honest. PW, are you moving to Cali because of the racing that you do? We're, well, you know, like part-time living in California. It just seems like I'm living here a lot because I've been here right now because all the racing, but yeah. Wow, look at this thing pull back right now. You gotta love it. Getting ready for market open right now. Nasdaq just kind of pulling back into open here. Will that be the precursor? The precursor. We got numbers this morning. 9:45 numbers. We got 10 o'clock numbers. We got all the numbers today, people. We got all the numbers today. Big shout out to Tradevate. Tradevate Ninja Trader, the #1 platform for prop trading. That's right, prop trading. Hey, do me a favor, chat. We got 285 likes right now. That is some weak shit. We got 1,800 people watching. We got 280 likes. We gotta get some more love. We gotta get some more love there, chat. We gotta get a little bit more loving. You know what I mean? Just a little bit more. That's weak. Well, overnight, you can see here, London not really going anywhere, right? Kind of up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down again. So, as we go into market open here, I'd say, you know, part of me thinks that this is going to be a big bear flag here. We did push up a little higher maybe than we wanted to, but you've got the Thursday close. So the market closed on Thursday. Friday, the market was closed. Futures traded, but the actual market closed on Thursday there. And that's that gap. That puts us back down there, 29,550. 29,550 down there. So we'll see what happens. We've got the Thursday low all the way down, 29,330. We've got this high from Thursday at 30,285. So, I mean, right now we are in the middle of that range, basically, right? I mean, just the middle of that, pretty much. So, price action in the middle of this range. You got about 1,000 point range from Thursday that we're in the middle of. So, the $1 million question: will we push to the upside or push to the downside? Right here in the middle of it now. I think if we start selling, well, you know what that means. You know what that means. She's going downtown. That's where the fun is. Downtown. All right, bigger question. First off, who watched Game of Thrones House of the Dragon this weekend? How many people in the chat are watching House of the Dragon? Crazy work last night. No one's watching it. You guys are. I'm not gonna do a spoiler. I'm just saying who's watching it, who's watching and who's not watching it. The $1 million question. Too much pressure for the queen. I agree. Too much. She's on her period too. That was kind of weird, wasn't it? Wasn't that weird where they were like basically saying that she's on her period and that like is messing up her ability to be the queen? There was a little bit of that, right? Was I the only one who picked up on that? You know what I mean? It's not a spoiler, but like she says in the thing that she's like bleeding, she's on her period. Patrick, did you see the Night of the Seven Kingdoms is way better? Yeah, Night of the Seven Kingdoms is great. It is great. Right now we're going downtown. All right, let's see. Up or down at open? What do we think, chat? Let's get a poll going here. Up or down at open? The poll is live. Vote, vote, vote. Hit that like button. Hit the vote button. Which way, which way, which way? You can see right now we are kind of putting in a higher low at this 930 area. We bounced off the 680s last night. We were trading last night at midnight, and this thing just started pumping straight back up. But as you can see right now, it's bleeding out. Market's making a big move here before the market even opens. You gotta love when that happens. Look at this thing. Straight down now from 890s to the 830s. What you doing, Willis? What you doing? What you doing, Willis? Straight down, Lieutenant Dan. Straight down. Straight down, Lieutenant Dan. Baba Rusku Lucas said it's a fake out on the 15-minute, promising to drop more. Wait, what? It's a fake out. It's pulling back right now, or is it gonna? What do you mean? I'm confused. I'm confused. What are you doing in a minute? We got a pivot point there, 29,800 level right now. We got a pivot point all the way to the downside there on the hourly chart, way further down there. But right now, pulling back here into the VWAP for now. We've been bouncing kind of on this VWAP trend, right? So let's see what they do here at open now. This has been that channel overnight. Will we break to the downside, move down there, 29,550s? I like it. I like it. We got news today as well. If you're just now tuning in, welcome. Welcome. We got the poll in the chat. Have you voted yet? Have you guys voted? Have you voted? Have you voted? Right now, 47% of the chat think we're going to go up. 52% think we're going to go down. So, it's a 50-50 basically. 50-50. It's a 50-50. We got 487 likes here. We're getting a little bit better. I think we could go for 1,000 likes before the market even opens. We got 2,400 people watching. It's free to hit the like button, by the way. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, people. Don't be afraid. You can do it. 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 Boo-doo-boo-doo. All right, Nasdaq down there with the VWAP now. PW, how was the Asian session? Oh, it was so good, man. So good. Such a Asian session. Do you have any team that works full time? Yes. I have 20 Filipinos that work 24 hours a day. 1 per hour. Well, 24 actually. All right, right now, just kind of holding up there at the VWAP. Again, if you have not heard, we have news coming out, 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news today, so might have to be a little, I always say be patient, but you know how we gonna get crazy either way. I think there's a good short setup coming, but we want to be patient and see how it plays. Right now in the chat, we got 500 votes, 49%, 51%. Basically, it's a 50-50. Up or down, nobody really knows. What levels are you guys watching right now? Who's watching what level? What's a key level that you want to see break or hold or vice versa? Let me know in the chat. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Won't you let me know? Everyone they said they like the dump, like the dumpty dump. All right, well, we've got this kind of, I wouldn't even call this the Asia low, I guess. Yeah, Asia low down here. Could be a good target if we start selling, and then we've got obviously Asia's high. So we got the high up there, 30,000. We got these lows down here, 29,700. And we're currently bouncing there off the VWAP. I think if we start to lose the VWAP here, it's going to be an aggressive, just go short, 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 and ride it lower. See what happens. So Getting ready here. Either way, we got about 7 minutes, people. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Holding up there at the VWAP for now. Hypnotic said he's gonna get long if we get above 930. Above 930. Well, shit. Shit, son. It's 100 points away. It's 100 points away, sir. Well, I'm excited to see who comes out on top. We've got the Legends Trading battle. All the top influencers are battling it out here. Look at this. We got all the top influencers. We got all the top influencers. We're gonna see who comes out on top in the battle of the Legends Trading. You got a 2-day tournament, and then you move on. 32 traders head to head for 2 days, and then we'll kind of get some updates throughout the day here. I'll keep you updated. See what happens. Which influencer is going to come out on top? The $1 million question. The leaderboard, I don't know, you might have to log into it, but this is the link for the leaderboard there. Who decided these 32 traders were elite? I don't think anybody decided that they were elite by any means. I think they're just, it's the fact that they're, you know, influencers. It's an influencer cup. I don't know, I mean, it wasn't really a battle of elite traders. It's a battle of influencers. Relax, buddy. Relax, buddy. Relax, buddy boy. All right. We're getting ready here for market open. Getting ready for market open. Right now, VWAP holding up there, but I like the idea of continuation to the downside. We'll see. Either way, market open up here before you know it. Right now, we've got Nasdaq, 29,850. You got the ES pulling back here as well, sitting at the VWAP. So ES and the Nasdaq both sitting at the VWAP for now. Both looking very similar to the overnight move, kind of getting stuck below the overnight high and pulling back right now. We've got news here, 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news as well. Someone says Trump's going to ring the bell at the New York Stock Exchange for the Trump account. So we got Trump ringing the bell. We got the chat right now, 50-50. Chat thinks it's a long, it's a short. We don't know. We got 683 likes here. We got to get to 1,000 likes. Can we do it? Can we hit 1,000 likes? Can we hit 1,000 likes before the market open? Can we do it, chat? I think we could do it. Blow it up, chat. Blow it up. Blow it up. Blow it up, chat. Blow it up. Oh, come on, Nasdaq. Give me a nice little sell-off here at open. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Wouldn't that be nice? I hope he doesn't start selling before market open. Oh, God. Dump it to the overnight lows. I like that. I like that. 29,680 area. Very doable here. If you're going to dump. We'll see. Still got plenty of time here. 927. Oh, my God. Look at this. She's all over the place as we get ready here for market open. Market open here in 2 minutes. Will we break below the VWAP here? I think we get below this 820 level. We should sell. Just got to see what happens here at open. Right now, stuck at the 860s. The last weekly candle is a massive inverted hammer. Uh-oh. Let's see what happens. 1 minute. 1 minute. Pay the man his money. All right, 1 minute. Do you ever use order flow? Not really. Not really. All right, we're getting ready here. We are currently at 826 likes. We got 40 seconds here. Let's break over 1,000, people. Let's break over 1,000. Let's break over 1,000 likes here. We can do it. We can do it. Oh my God, it's pulling back here again. God damn it. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here. We got 30 seconds. Being patient. Just kind of waiting to see what happens here at open. Okay, okay. No rush, no feelings, just trading. That's right. We got 904 likes. I think we can do 1,000 here, chat. We can do 1,000 here before the market opens. We got 20 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Here we go, right there at the view op now. Will we bounce or do we dump city? Feeling pretty. Oh my God, she's a dumper. Dump straight down there. 820s through there now. Right back up. Oh my Lord. What a time to be alive. Well, we swiped those lows already, so you'd have to think maybe it's a long setup, huh? I'm gonna try a long setup here. Just go for like a quick 20 points right back up. Oh, hey. I like that. I'll take that. We'll take that. Nice and easy. Long from the 45s up there to the 67s. Had that big wick on that candle. Thinking that we would pop up there at 860s or so. ES is going absolutely to the moon right now. Wow, ES is going to the moon. ES is straight up, Nasdaq straight up. Was that trade 10 seconds? It was 5 seconds. That was a 5-second trade. Pretty crazy. 5-second trade. Couldn't even get in, couldn't even get out if you tried. Hey, it's a W either way, okay? It's a W either way. 945.67. W's. W's in the chat only. Still pushing up here towards the 900 now. Both the ES and the Nasdaq trying to push. You got to see if it's going to continue though. Gotta see. Kind of just holding up here now, 860 area. I kind of like this long again. I'm gonna try a long here. See if we can push up through the 900s. If not, I might get stopped out quickly here. It was a little bit of a FOMO trade. But let's see. Get this pushed through the 900s possibly. Would be my play. All right, nice little push there. Almost through 900 now. Can we pop all the way through the 900s though? Oh yeah. Yeah, we can. Looks really good. 915s now. Almost got tagged. We were like 50 cents away from getting filled there. You gotta love that. You gotta love that. Can we push through the 900s? The ES is going straight up right now, so that's why I'm long here on the Nasdaq, but we got to see if we can get continuation to pump through here. Try to pump through there. This is a longy dongy. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. W's in the chat only. W's in the chat only. All right, we got one filled there. We got a couple contracts left. I want to see if we can't get up here towards the overnight high, right? So overnight high is all the way up here. That's what I'm looking for. Overnight high possibility towards that 30,000 area maybe. No micros today. We're back on the minis, baby. You never know what you're gonna get, okay? You never know what you're gonna get here at the BDH. So that long here off the 860s looking really good right now, up there to the 940s. I'm putting my stop right here at 900 now, giving it a little bit of room to push back up here. If you're not loving this, if you're not getting W's in the chat, I don't know what you're doing. We're making money live. Oh, pulling back here. Oh, don't do it. And might get stopped. Let's see. Stopped out for now. Wait for the next setup. So right now, 5-minute chart, we are pulling back into the middle of that 5-minute range. See what happens. Yeah, shout out to Lucid. If you have a Lucid account, go check out the mystery boxes, the mystery cases. Lucid dropping mystery cases to everybody. We got 9:45 news, by the way. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news. Right now, Nasdaq kind of pulling back here into the middle of the 5-minute range. Okay, back down. Oh my lord, look at this. Right back down, 860s again. Back to the VWAP. Real strong reversal here now. Oh my lord. Is this a short setup now, or are we gonna bounce here again? Oh my, look at that. All the way back down. Wow. Back to the 800s, 820s. Let's see if these bears are coming back alive here. I think we lose this 820 area. We could sell. Just chop in here for now. Back here to the 820s, lose 820s, see if they're gonna sell it through back down here through 800s again, possibly. Got a big range here, 5-minute range, 930 to 778. She looks like she wants to move down here though. That's a big move back down. Both the ES and the Nasdaq chopping back down here now. Shopping around at the bottom of this 5-minute candle. We got 9:45 news coming out, and then we got 10 o'clock news as well. So la 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 la. Chop City. $15-minute candle right now. Look at this range we got going here. Let this 15-minute range play out, and then we see what happens. We still got plenty of time here. Boner candle right back up again. Boner candle right back up, 900s again, 880s here. A lot of volatility. Got a lot of volatility here. Big range. You got news coming out here in 5 minutes now. Both the ES and the Nasdaq kind of pumping back up here now. You gotta love it. Buy the low, sell the high. Hey, there you go. You got it figured out. We got a genius in the chat. All you gotta do is buy the low, sell the high. We got them. Geniuses. The biggest and the largest. We're doing it live. We got the best traders in the world watching. Everybody knows exactly where the market's going to go at all times here at this beautiful live stream location. Right back up again, 920s. Well, the poll earlier was very simple. The poll earlier was 50-50, both long and short. So as we can see now, the market is 50-50, 50-50 up, 50-50 down. 50-50 up, 50-50 down. 50-50 up, 50-50 down. 50-50, 50-50, 50-50, 50-50. All right, guys, we got 2.5 minutes here. This news comes out. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news. We'll see if this 9:45 news is going to get us out of this range or if we're going to continue chopping here. You can see all the way up there to the 900s again, right back down 880s. Chop City, baby. Right back to the VWAP again. The news is S&P something, PMI number or something at 9. At the and the chop continues here. Who would have thought? Chop stopping. Chop chopping, they said. ISM Services PMI number, yeah. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, help me blow it up. We got over 1,000 likes here. We're doing it live. We got giveaways coming up today as well. Who wants a giveaway? I know y'all want to win something. We got 2 minutes here till this 9:45 numbers. 200%. It's going to shoot up. It will shoot up 200% ASU. What the fuck? 200%? Shit, dog. Oh. Well, as you can see right now, Nasdaq just going absolutely nowhere. See what happens when this news comes out in 1 minute. 1 minute. Daniel Hidalgo trading on the beach. Let's go. What beach are you trading on? You on Solana Beach? All right, this news coming out in 30 seconds. They're getting it really tight here either way. She's tight, tight, tight. Tight, tight, tight. Tight news here. We got tight news. Index scalper said he's trading from Antarctica. That seems a little cold, sir. That seems a little cold. I'm not gonna lie, it does seem a little cold. Trading from Antarctica does seem a little chilly. We got Trump talking. Yeah, I know Trump's talking. Trump said, pump the market to the moon, boys. It's Trump accounts. Everybody's gonna have a Trump account. All right, there's the news. Trying to pop out of this range, it looks like. You can see higher lows there on the 5-minute chart. 15-minute range still has not broken. If we break this 15-minute range to the upside through that 940 area, we might look for some more squeeze up there to the overnight high. Overnight high is all the way up here, so can we get up there to the overnight high is the question. There's that 940 break now. $30,000 coming up next. I think so. It looks like it. There's 10 points over 940 right there. There's 20 points. If you took that trade of the 940s, congratulations. That's 20 points. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. 15-minute range breakout here. Hold the long until 30,000. Maybe. 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 Where is D Money? D Money's on at 12 o'clock. Why do you always, people ask, guys, D Money and it has not been on the morning in how long now? You guys are crazy. Uh-oh. Faking out to the upside there for now. We got more news at 10 o'clock. Correct. More news at 10. Nasdaq chopping right back down below the 900s again, or right back to the 900s. You gotta love this price action right now. You gotta love it, man. It's wild. It's crazy. It's wild and it's crazy. Everybody wants to be a kung fu fighter. Everybody wants to be a kung fu fighter. Do, 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 do. All right, maybe we gotta wait for this 10 o'clock news for the market to move here. Red folder news at 10 o'clock. People are asking what kind of news it is. It's not like news about prop firms. It's news about the market. Nasdaq really just stuck here for now. Really just stuck. Going nowhere. Bill said get short at 30,020. Good plan. Good plan. That's a good plan, Bill. I like it. Right now, just kind of grinding here. We broke the 15-minute range to the upside. We're breaking out here now. The question is, can we go higher, though? Huge range here, right? Big range. Big range, trying to go. All right, well, I think, like I said, 10 o'clock, might have to wait till 10 o'clock here if this market's going to start moving or not. Maybe, maybe not. Up there, the 950s again. I think this overnight high area definitely has me interested, right? We've got a lot of wicks up there, 30,000 area. Can we get all the way up there is the million-dollar question, right? Kind of starting to flag here above the 15-minute range, but just doesn't want to like commit to a clean breakout yet, like a really good push here yet. We'll see. 30,000, not far away now, 50 points away from that overnight high. Start pushing up here, right? Start pushing up here. Start pushing up there. You gotta push it real good. There we go. Market is pushing 980s now. 980s. Going for that 30,000 push. Oh, buddy, there it is. That overnight high now getting taken out. There you have it. Another banger. Another winning trade. Back to back to back. To the highs now. To the highs. 30,000. It's 30,000 for the party. Got a party. Drink a Bacardi for the party. Do 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 do. All right, let's see what happens here. We get a pullback. We got 8 minutes till this news comes out. We got up there to the 30,000s. I do feel like this is a setup for a little pullback. And then see what happens. Did I catch the Mexico game last night? I did, man. I fucking did. I bet on the Mexico game last night. Obviously not smart. Not smart. All right, we took out the overnight high now. A little bit of a reversal here. Got to see what happens next. 60 points, right back down. What a time to be alive. We got news coming out here. Depending on if this candle right here wicks, I'm going to try a long right here for a little quick pop. Let's see if we get a little pop back up here. I'm not going to go for much. I'll just go for like 20 points right back up. Nice. Nice. From the 46s right back up there to the 66s. Kind of thought we might wick down and push back up. That's what happens when you fade England. I mean, you're right. I guess, you know, I've been spending a lot of time in Mexico lately, so I've just been a little, you know, Mexican. I just been a little Mexican. BDH is the only show where we have fun and make money at the same time? Come on. Let's go. Am I going to bet on USA versus Belgium? Maybe. You never know. Maybe. Maybe. Still pushing here. This could keep going. We got this news coming out in 5 minutes. 10 o'clock news, chat. 10 o'clock news. If you took that long there from the 46s, it's still going higher, by the way. Still going higher, by the way. 980s now. Let's see what the chat thinks. Who's going to win tonight? USA or Belgium? I'm going to do the opposite of whatever the poll says. Let's see. %, 60% voting for USA right now. All right, all right. Throwing some free membership gifts out there. Get ready. 5 new memberships in the chat. If you haven't become a member yet, you get a free one. There we go. Congratulations, new members of the BDH. All right, so the poll right now, 59% USA, 41% Belgium. All right, all right. Well, as of right now, Nasdaq battling here. We got a pivot point right there, 30,000, or not a pivot point, but the overnight high, 30,000 we got stuck at for now. Kind of looking like a possible push back up here. We got this news coming out in 5 minutes. I don't hate the idea of a long here. Do you hate the idea of a long here? I'm gonna try a long here. See if we get this pop through 30,000s now. Maybe good, maybe bad. That's the 9 EMA on Trade of 8. Yes, the blue line is the 9 EMA that we're bouncing off right now. The 9 EMA. No, we're trading minis right now. Trading minis. Looking for a new high possible here. Trouble. Holding tight, 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 tight. Stopped out there for now. Just could not get through that high there for now. So got to see what happens here next. Got 3 minutes till this news comes out. $1,000-point fall coming. 1,000 points? We're going down 1,000 points? Oh man, that sounds crazy. I think there's still a good long above, like back above 980s here again. Just need to kind of let this kind of flag a little bit. Basically like above these 2-minute candles there. Pulling back here into the 15-minute range again. We got 2 minutes until this news comes out. 2 minutes. 2 minutes is all I need to make you fall in love with me. The possibilities. I love you, you love me. I love you, you love me. All right, news is coming out here. Get ready. The news is coming out. 30 seconds till the news here. I think if we can hold this area here, we can squeeze up. But obviously, if we lose this support, we're going downtown. We got a lot of stuff overlapping here. 15-minute range right now. There's that news candle. Both the ES and Nasdaq pulling back here. First initial reaction, but if they flip it back up, could be some upside potential. Yeah, there's that little flip. There's that little flippity flip. I like this long here. I'm going to try the long. Might be terrible, but we'll see. Oh, God. Terrible. Yeah, that was bad. And flipped me. She flipped me. Right back down. Right back up. Gotta love that. And right back up again. We're right there at the top of that 15-minute range, right? I mean, I don't know. I think it's got potential. You're looking for a new high, possibly. We're flagging here. We're flagging. Ugh. Chopping. We like kind of broke out here for a second, kind of just chopping around there now. And back down again. If we can't hold that like 940 area, I'd probably just jump out now. We had a moment up green. We had like 30 points almost, 20 points. I got my stop like right below this, just kind of trailing it a little bit. In case it does roll over, jump out, but if not, we can always ride it higher. Yeah, not, ugh. Still holding up there. Someone said go short. Okay. Go long, go short, maybe. I don't know. stuck here for now. Top of this fucking range. Gonna get stopped out here now. It's all good. Stopped out. Almost all of them. All right, now we're stopped out. Chop City here for now. Nasdaq just kind of chop around there. You like the long above 980 maybe? Okay. We're still just kind of, you know, holding these lows for now. I think as long as we can hold this like 920 area, the bulls are still in control, but just kind of chopping around here for now. 5-minute chart not looking so hot there for the bulls, but market going nowhere quickly. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you're missing out. You are missing out if you did not already hit it. Hit it, hit it, hit it. A lot of chop right here, so just trying to stay out of the chop for now. Got Nvidia pumping up here now. What the fuck? Got Nvidia pumping again. This market is bipolar. We're still holding those lows down there. I think, you know, like I said, that 920 holds the lows. We could go higher here. It's just, is there enough momentum to get through all that? A little bit of a push here again off that 920s. If we break through 980, I think we got to go hot. We got to go higher, right? Does Take Profit Trader charge for activation fee? No activation fee. Take Profit Trader. Use the code PW. Don't you worry, buddy boy. Daddy's here. Can we go for the 30,000 break again? Is it possible? We still have not taken out the overnight high, 30,012 area. You can see right now just kind of chopping there. But if we can start to go, oh, she's pushing. There's that 980 push now. 30,000 breakout coming next. That high of this candle right here, she wants to go. 30,009 is the high of that candle right there. Take out that level. Zanelio, he's up 600 bucks on 5 accounts. Appreciate me. I appreciate you, man. Thanks for tuning in. Having a little bit of fun with us. Good Lord, they really gonna just Make it sit here all day. 10 o'clock right now. 10:10. Nvidia made a new high. Nasdaq has not made new highs yet. I think we're going to though. 30,000 just got to go. Patrick, YouTube is so much better when you're here trading. Hey, thanks, man. Tell the CEO of YouTube I'm the guy. I'm the guy, okay? Tell him. Up there through the 30,000s now, trying to push. Like we said, that 920 holds up. We go for a new high here. It looks like we got the new high. Just had to go chop around for a little bit before going higher. Yes, I'm long right now. I'm a longy dongy. Hopefully don't get stoppy. $30,010 area. If we break through that, we could get going, but oh god. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq. I got my stop right here at 70 now. Oh yeah, let's go. Push it. Through the highs here, boys. Through the highs. Through the highs, please. That 30,010 area, that was the high from earlier. Can we break out through there? Run those highs. There we go. I like it. I might just take it there at the 16s to lock it in. Let's see if we can get filled. Oh my lord. Not again. Not again. Not again, chat. Why does this always happen to me? Come on. I wanted $10,000. Come on. Oh my god. Instant rejection. Pulled right back. Come on. That's the 9 EMA. That blue line on the chart is the 9 EMA. We're long and we are strong. We are long and we are strong. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Just hit me already. Just hit it. Nasdaq, come. What are you doing with me right now? What is this Nasdaq doing to me? Chat. Can I explain what an EMA is? No. I cannot. It's unexplainable. It's top secret. It's the exponential moving average, okay? You can't explain it. You cannot explain what you cannot explain. You cannot explain what is unexplainable. Oh my god. Well, that sucks. That sucks. Fuck you, Nasdaq. God, just get me out. Get me out, Nasdaq. Oh, I still got one contract left per account. Okay. I'm gonna trail this, put my stop right there at below 30,000. See if we can Get a little bit more out of it to the upside here, possibly. I might just take it. Oh my Lord, not again. Just hit it, Nasdaq, hit it. Thank God, thank God. These Lucid funded accounts, we're up $3,200 times 5 accounts. Right now, Lucid is 40% off the pro accounts. The nice thing about the pro accounts right now is they changed up some rules, actually. They changed up some rules. I don't know if you guys have seen, but the new rules, they got rid of the daily loss limit. So, Lucid making the moves. That was the long that we wanted up there through the 20s now. Just had to play hard. Had to play hardball. They had to play hardball with us. Lucid Pro is a gambler's paradise. I mean, hey man, welcome to the fucking casino, baby. If you're making money, you're making money. I mean, what do you want from me? Respect to GOAT. What happened to trading micros? Nothing happened. What happened to you trading micros? Guys, you all can trade micros. You can trade minis. You can trade whatever you want. I am not your daddy, right? I am not here to tell you what to do. We're just hanging out. We're trading. We're having a little bit of fun. You know, if you guys want to trade micros, if you want to trade minis, that is totally up to you, right? That is totally up to you. That is not up to me. So don't worry about what I'm doing. $30,020s now. It's still pumping. Then proceeds to ask on winning trades, who's your daddy? I never said that, BJ Stu. I never asked nobody who's your daddy. I did not say that. What are you talking about? I did not do that. I did not say that. I did not say that. I might have said that actually. But that's just like, you know, I'm not actually your daddy, you know. BJ Stu thought that I was his real dad. He's like, man, my dad is crazy. I found my daddy online. He said he's my daddy. He said I'm his daddy. God damn it, Nasdaq's still just pumping here. You gotta love it when that happens, right? You're like, you think, okay, I'm gonna take profit, and then it just keeps on going. Up there to the 30,040s now. If you took that long earlier, like we said, kind of above that 980, we had that bull flag set up, pretty clear to see. It just needed to kind of chop around first. 920s held. And then there's that squeeze now up there to the 40s. So almost, well, if you will, almost something. Almost something. Now we just need to wait for another setup here to form. Wait for another setup to form. When will Lucid get rid of their daily loss limit? I think they got rid of it already. I just think their website hasn't updated yet. Maybe. I don't know. They posted that they got rid of it, so. Yeah, I think they got rid of it, to be honest. I think their website just hasn't been updated yet, but they posted this yesterday. Look at this thing still going higher. So the new Lucid Pro, no daily loss limit, unlimited use, 40% off, pass evals in 1 day, request payouts after 3 days. Use the code PW. It's good through the 24th of July here. So the new Lucid Pro motion, the motion of the ocean, the motion of the ocean. Motion of the ocean. I got a bunny rabbit out front of my door right now looking in the door. It's literally just a bunny. There's a bunny looking out the door right now.
All right, so Nasdaq
still pushing higher. Looking at the hourly chart, we did break out through this overnight high now. So the $1 million question that everybody always wants to know, will this be a spot to pull back now? Right? That's kind of always like the fear. We did not take out the overnight low yet. Took out the overnight high. But gotta see what happens. See what happens here now. If we get back below 30,000, could be that pullback setup. 5-minute chart not looking too hot right now. It'd be like maybe a short below 30,000s back down, but right now holding up 30,000s for now. Do you ever donate to charity, Adrian Thomas? Yeah, I donate every day to you fucking broke ass motherfuckers. With my time and energy, Adrian. Patrick, I used to see you live, but never understood how you trade and why you enter. Okay. Cool, Isaac. Go fuck yourself. I don't know. What do you want me to tell you? Patrick, I don't understand. Why do you... Patrick, I watch you live and I never understand. Why do you get in? Why do you get out? Patrick, I'm confused. You never tell me exactly what to do. I've been watching you for 5 years now, and I never know. I never know if it's a long or if it's a short, because you never tell me. Yeah, no shit, Sherlock. I ain't your daddy. You gotta love it. The chat is cooked. And right back up chopping around here. You gotta love it, man. Absolute chop fest. Absolute chop fest here. We swipe through the 30s, back up there to the 20s. If we break through the 20s, I'm gonna jump in for a quick pop possible. I mean, I love when people are like, I don't understand what we literally trade bull flags and bear flags. The fuck you want, you know, like what else do you want from me? Joe Samuel said, guys, we're just hanging out. It's annoying. This motherfucker acts like he doesn't have a following because he gives trade signals. Give the people money. Give the people D money because losing sucks. Joe, what? There's a trade. We just missed out on a trade because we're literally talking to Joe Schmo. You motherfucking retard. Good job, Joe. Thank you for your fucking support, idiot. God, this fucking chat is cooked. I truly do. It amazes me that there's anybody on this fucking planet who thinks that D-Money is a better day trader than me. Like that, I do appreciate the fact that people think that D-Money is better than me because obviously I picked him, but like the fact that there's anybody on this fucking planet who thinks that D-Money is better at trading than me is absolutely fucking retarded. Like you gotta be fucking retarded, right? That, like, no offense, but you gotta be fucking retarded to think that. Like that, like you literally, you'd have to be fucking retarded to actually think that. I mean, that's all. I'm just trying to figure out, like, at what point has D Money ever proven that he's better than me? At what point? You fucking idiots. Even his win rate's not better. Y'all are fucking... whatever. You all, hey, whatever you gotta tell yourself. Literally last night, I went 10 trades. I had 10 winning trades in a row last night. Literally live for an hour. We took 10 trades and every single trade was a winner. 10 in a row. 10 in a row, chat. And look, now we gotta fucking fuck around with this shit. Y'all put me in a bad mood. I'm gonna go on tilt and blow my account just because the whole fucking chat gotta be all fucking retarded. Just to fuck with me, man. Why y'all gotta fuck with me, man? D-Money is better discipline. Yeah, D-Money works for me. That's why he's got more discipline. You idiots. Nasdaq just stuck here now, chopping around. What time did I go live last night? I went live like 10:30 after Denny. Joe, he's upset because he says he doesn't lose big when he watches D-Money. I mean, that's fine. Nobody's telling you to do what I'm doing. Like, literally, nobody is telling you to trade. Like, that's your own responsibility. You act like I'm the one sitting there telling you to get long or get short. Like, that's on you, bro, not on me. Nasdaq just cannot go now. I'm going to put my stop right below this candle. If we're going to pop, we're going to pop. If not, whatever. Yeah, not going anywhere, so whatever. Might just lock out now. Two completely different styles of traders, cannot compare. Guys, D-Money watched me for years. We have the same style. What are you talking about? God, insanity. We're not two different traders. I just show you everything. I literally show you every single trade, in and out, in and out. Right? I don't wait till after I'm entered. I get in, I show you it. It's all there. You can say whatever you want. It's literally the same exact thing. Again, if D-Money was a better day trader than me, he wouldn't work for me. It's that simple. God. The fact is the fact. D-Money goes based off candle shapes and patterns. You go based off feel. We trade bull flags and bear flags. Like, what do you want from me? Like, we literally trade bull flags. What do you mean? What do you want from me? God. Y'all are cooked. Absolutely cooked. All right, Nasdaq again. That's why we got stopped out there. Back to the 30,000s, just chopping here. Going nowhere quickly. Going nowhere quickly. The legends, I guess, I think, I don't know. It's not updating right now. I don't know if it's because it's not going to start till tonight or what. I'm trying to find out. I just messaged those guys, so. Nasdaq right now just holding up here. There's that push once again off the 30,000s. Is it a long? Maybe back above 30,020 again, breaking above this candle high. I'm gonna try the long here just to see if we can make a new high. Oh, just absolutely clapped right there. Clapped for now. Back to 30,000. I'm trying to add right there. See if it's going to pop up out of here again. But as long as we can hold 30,000, we should be good. All right, come on. Get a little pumpity pump going. There we go. All right. Give me a little bit more though, Nasdaq. Don't just stop right there. Oh, you son of a bitch. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna just take it off right there. Okay, there we go. Now we're going. See if we can get a little bit more out of it. We are pumping right now. I'm up 4,000. Might just lock it all out right now. If we break through 40, I'm just gonna take it there. Or I might just take it right there. 37s. There we go. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna lock it out. So, the pro accounts, the new ones, do not have a daily loss limit. No. For anybody who's wondering about my thought process here, why would I get long here? Well, as you can see, because clearly I don't explain it enough, you know, I haven't made a million videos on YouTube about it, but basically we're bouncing 30s, 30s. Looking for this pushback up to make a new high, right? 9 EMA, blue line. I use the 21 EMA on the 5-minute chart, right? That's the 5-minute chart is the 21 EMA. And there you go. It's still going higher. So, I mean, I don't know. Clearly, I have no idea what I'm doing. I just get lucky sometimes. All the way up there to the 50s now. Still pushing. 60s next. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Someone in the chat said it was a short. Well, they were wrong, clearly.
Y'all be wrong lately.
It's all good. Like I said, the proof is in the pudding. For anybody that wants to sit here and talk shit about D-Money versus me versus whatever, at the end of the day, without PW, there is no D-Money. Without the BDH, without the PW, there's nothing. So I don't know what y'all want me to do about it. I win, you lose. I'm the biggest, I'm the largest, I'm rich, you're poor. Thank you very much. Come again. Did you ever get over the alignment with SOXL? No, I never got over it, Nick. I never got over it. Have fun in the VIP room, you fucking faggot. God. I would love to meet all these people in the real life so I could just punch them in the face. I want to do a meetup. I want to do a chat meetup. But all the people who talk shit in the chat have to come. They have to come to the event, and then they got to line up and talk shit in real life. That's what I want to see. I want to see all the people in the chat who always talk shit. I want to see you come to in the real world and talk shit to me. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. That is what I want to see. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. Okay, I want to see it. I want to see you come to me in the real life. I want to see the real life. You go in the real life. I bet you won't in the real life. It's the real life. I don't want nobody. Real life. I don't got nobody. Real life. Free barbecue? No. PW, you're rich because of the people in the chat who use your affiliate code. I mean, I'd be rich no matter what. You know that, right? Like I was always gonna be rich no matter what, buddy. No matter what, buddy. Nasdaq still pushing up there to the 50s now. I'm locking out here. I'm locking out here. Oh, I had this guy one time. This guy was always talking so much shit on Instagram, right? And I saw him in real life. And I walked over and I put him in a headlock, right? I walked over and I put him in a fucking headlock. And the best part is he had nothing to say. He was like, oh, stop. I'm just playing. I'm like, what? You're not playing on Instagram? You always talking so much shit on the internet, but real life, you just play it, huh? You just playing in real life. Get out of here. Nasdaq still pumping here. For anybody who's new to the channel, for anybody who's confused on what my strategy is, I'll give you a very clear understanding of what the strategy is, right? Again, go back, we'll go to this chart. It's a little easier to see. We had our 15-minute range, right? 15-minute range. You had wick. Look at that push up through the upside there. We held the 15-minute range, kind of like this pullback here. We had another bull flag here. We took this, you could take this twice, right? We had two bull flag entries for that push higher. It's not rocket science. You don't need a book. You don't need a course. You don't need anything. It's simple, right? The market moves in waves, guys. It's just like this. This is how the market moves. It goes like this, right? Where do you want to enter? Do you want to enter here or do you want to enter here? Well, pretty clear to see that you don't want to enter here, that you want to get in here, right? At the bottom of the wave on that pullback. As long as the market's not going like this and then going like this, like, well, obviously that's a bear, right? You don't want to get long if we can't hold that previous, like that's your chop. So the moral of the story here is if you got a pullback and it kind of pulls back 50%, well, that's a good pullback, right? You want to kind of respect this middle of those kind of candles, which the middle of the 15-minute range is right there, 860s. You can see we started respecting it, right? We're kind of pushing off of that level. We have a bull flag. We had the overnight high as a target. It's funny because people will constantly say, Patrick, you never explain your strategy. I mean, the strategy never changes. It's always the same strategy. It's been the same since the beginning of time. You know, it's been the same since literally I started my YouTube channel 10 years ago. Right? That's the strategy. So I love when people try to say that I never explain my trades. I don't need to explain it. It's a bull flag or it's a bear flag. That's all it is. You know, like there's really nothing else to explain. There's no indicator, there's no RSI, there's no delta, there's nothing. You know? So, I don't know. The people in the chat who get upset because I don't explain it enough, well, clearly you're not going to make it either way. Clearly, you're not going to make money either way. I don't use volume. I don't do anything. There's no volume on my chart. Do you see any volume down there? No. Zero volume, zero anything. Did you get your money from ICT? No, he has not paid me the $500,000. So for the guy earlier that was bitching about how I never explained the market and he went to go watch some other YouTube channel, I mean, that's fine, right? Clearly, we didn't talk about everything before this happened this morning, right? We didn't talk about the overnight high being a target. We didn't talk about the low down here. We didn't talk about the 15-minute range. I mean, I didn't talk about nothing, right? I didn't talk about nothing, clearly. I didn't talk about nothing. I just did it all. I did nothing. So I'm just like, what the fuck is going on? I didn't talk about nothing. Nothing. How was 4th of July? Pretty mellow. Didn't really do anything too crazy, to be honest. Pretty mellow 4th of July. Nothing too crazy. Just kind of hung out with some friends and family. Landon and Victoria and some other friends. We're going to Hawaii on Wednesday. Going fishing. Marlin fishing in Hawaii on Wednesday. So trying to... just kind of chill out a little bit, get ready for Hawaii. Excited to get back to Hawaii, go fishing for a little bit. You're gonna have a lot of D Money and a lot of Denny coming up this week because I'll be gone. So everybody in the chat who hates me, be happy. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving, assholes. All right, I'm leaving. Matthew said, you don't need an orb indicator, just draw the lines yourself. See, like, this is like another thing. I'm like, you know, like, what is this? You don't need an orb indicator, just draw the lines yourself. Okay, cool, Matthew. Like, what a waste of a fucking, like, what a waste of you typing. You know, like, that's like, you wasting your typing. You know, like, that's like typing, just a waste of typing. Hey, everybody, you don't need to use the fucking indicator. It's free indicator, by the way. All right, well, you can see here, I'd say probably some pullback coming. Market just cannot get above this level very strong right now. So 15-minute chart pulling back here into the 11 o'clock candle coming up here sooner than later. 10:50 to 11 o'clock always gets interesting, right? Look at that, pump right back up again. It's like it's a weird spot, right? It's like a annoyingly weird spot here. Well, not a weird spot, but like, do we grind up from here? Look how tight this is. You know, like, I think, I'm gonna try a quick long here. That 5-minute candle looks pretty good, right? We pulled back right to that 21 EMA. We'll see if we can get some more push out of it, though. Would be ideal. I'd look to basically break this previous high now, is what my plan would be. Patrick, we love you. Don't leave. I gotta leave, man. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go, man. So much for locking out. No, these are Tradeify accounts. We got multiple accounts. We locked out of our Lucid accounts. These are Tradeify accounts that we're trading right now. What is the indicator name for the orb? Very simple. It's LuxAlgo, orb, and targets. Nothing too crazy. Man, oh man. Pushes up there, gets stuck, pulls back again. Will they have enough momentum to get through this level now? We'll see. Patrick, have you ever wanted to fly your helicopter through the fireworks? That sounds like a death wish, sir. Not trying to die. Fly my helicopter through the fire? Are you crazy? Some guy wants me to die in the chat. He's like, are you gonna fly your helicopter through the fireworks? We're actually taking the helicopter tomorrow. We're gonna fly down to Ensenada tomorrow, down to Mexico. Gotta go do some reconnaissance. Dovek says, do you think it's possible to lose your edge once you found it? I think anything's possible. But I think once you learn just kind of the overall idea of how trading works, it's something that you can just build on forever, right? That's why I'm a firm believer in just kind of trading the price action, bull flags, bear flags. They're never gonna go away. They're always gonna be here forever, right? Like you don't have to, you know, you don't have to worry. I think people sometimes worry that like the market's gonna change and they can't make money anymore. So, ugh, that sucks. Pulls back. We're up 20 points. We're up 20 points for a minute there. There you go. Adam Gale says he's learning not to overcomplicate trading. It's a good rule. Don't overcomplicate it. Tanner Simmons. We got Tanner Simmons. Tell Brett Simba his micro scalping rule in the eval is a joke. He's up $4,200 in profits and still haven't passed because he's 58% micro scalping. Hey man, don't be micro scalping, bro. No scalping of the micros. Oh my god. Well, this is a bit annoying, to be honest. You know what's going to happen? The minute that I get out of this trade, it's going to pump. The minute that I get out. And right back down again. Chop City here. I mean, we're going into this hourly candle close, obviously, right? Hourly candle close. Is that gonna slow us down here? We pushed above the overnight high, but just kind of running into some previous resistance in this area here. Having some trouble there now, pulling back again. We'll see what happens. Would you get short here? Well, I'm long, so I wouldn't get short, but maybe. 5-minute candles are still holding up. It's just really tight right here. Look how tight it is. It's a hard one. It's a tricky spot for sure. I do not have my helicopter license. I leased a helicopter and I have a helicopter pilot. I don't know how to fly a helicopter. Somebody asking in the chat. This is my helicopter on my Twitter. It's an A-star. 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 Come on. Nasdaq trying to pump here. We're long. Gotta see what happens. Maybe at this this candle closes. One more little pump to the upside here. Either we're gonna pump or we're gonna dump. Real talk, PW. What do you roughly take in on affiliates each month? $1 million, roughly. Maybe more. Oh, there we go. Gotta love when it hits. Are helicopter leases similar to auto leases mileage limits? No, there's no mileage. You just pay, yeah. What are my overhead costs? About $400,000 a month is my overhead cost. 30,000 up there to 64, so that's 30 points. Another winning trade. We locked in $670 in 5 of the Tradeify accounts. So right now, Tradeify's got a deal going on. You get a 5-pack bonus, 40% off. Haters gonna hate, players gonna play. And then we locked in $4,000 times 5 accounts on Lucid there as well. So we're making some money. We're making some money. For private jets, it's like $10,000 an hour is basically what it costs for a private jet. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here now. Expecting some pullback. Possible, maybe. I don't know. Maybe not. All right, there we go. Back down there into the 20s again. Adrian Thomas says, "Do you have any do you have any children?" No, I just have full-grown adults. No children, just adults. Full-grown adults. What would you do in life if there would be no trading? I don't know, man. Be dead? I don't know. What would I do? Work at a gas station? Work at McDonald's? Go Chipotle? I don't know. People always ask the dumbest questions. Patrick, what would you do? What would you do if you were born a woman? Patrick, what would you do if you lived on the moon? Patrick, what would you do if trading wasn't easy? Patrick, what would you do if you didn't have a YouTube? Patrick, what would you do Oh my lord, the chop is real here. Look at this. Chop, chop, chopping. Do I miss fishing? We're going fishing in Hawaii next week. And yes, Landon is going fishing in Hawaii. What would I do if I was not gay? I mean, I guess I would love a woman, but I'm gay, so I love a man. Post some pictures of your catch. Oh, don't worry. You know there's gonna be pictures of my catch. When will you get married? I don't know, man. One day. Am I still ripping Pokemon packs? It's been a minute, to be honest. Been a minute. My Pokemon I actually submitted a bunch of Pokemon cards to PSA to get graded. Have I ever fished for tarpon? Come on, man. Why y'all be asking the dumbest questions right now? Everything that you could ever think of, I've done, chat. All right, I've done everything. Literally everything that I've ever done. You know what I mean? Like, there's not one thing on this fucking planet that I've done that you know what I mean? I've done it all. Everything. I've done it all, chat. I have done it all. Someone just asked if I catch tarpon. I mean, does this count? Is this a tarpon? Is this a tarpon? Look at this tarpon. Yeah, we caught tarpon. Come on, man. I've done it all. Everything that you could ever dream of, I've done it. I've done it, man. I've done it all. Everything. That's my tarpon. I catch the tarpon. I catch it all, man. I do it all. Have you ever did insider trading? No. Well, I mean, I guess it depends. What kind of insider are we talking about? Little tummy sticks? Oh yeah, I've done some tummy sticks before. Jesse Quint says, what's the moment you look back on the most as a pinch me moment besides family and being rich? That has got to be the gayest thing anybody's ever typed in the chat. Jesse Quint. What's the moment you look back on the most as a pinch me moment besides family and being rich? Bro, I don't ever pinch myself. I worked. I busted my ass. Nothing that I have was given to me. Nothing. I don't have one moment of pinching myself because I'm not like surprised. You know what I mean? Like I'm not fucking, I've never pinched myself because I wake up every morning and I'm like, I know I'm going to win. It's never been a question of like, oh my God, will this work? You know, like, oh my God, I can't believe I got lucky. I'm going to pinch myself now. No, that's gay. That's gay. All right, well, Nasdaq moving on back down here now. We could not get through those highs. Going into this hourly candle now. We got 2 minutes until the 11 o'clock candle. I don't know. I'm just playing. But honestly, yeah, no, I don't. I never really knew exactly how big, you know, the YouTube channel would get or how big this would all become, I guess. But, you know, I always kind of dreamed that I would be a millionaire and it would all work out in the end, honestly. Or am I shorting? Not yet. There's no reason to really get short until I don't know. I wouldn't get short until, I guess that is about 100 points to the downside. I'm just worried this 15-minute range here. You know, we're still above that 15-minute range. The bulls are still kind of answering here. I don't think it's a short just yet. Can you give away a Lucid 50K account to me? Love from India. Nah. Fuck that. We ain't giving nothing to India. Just kidding. I love India. But you know what I like about India? I like that India is so far away from America. Let's keep it that way. You know what I mean? Keep India, India. Let's make India great again. You know what I mean? Hey, I'm just being honest. You know, I'm just being honest. That's all. No, it's not. Hey, you know, let India let India be India. You know what I mean? India can just stay over there and just be India for forever. India don't need to come to America. You know, they don't need to. It's okay. Let India be, you know, let India be India. That's the problem, right? Like, everybody thinks like everybody can just move to America and everybody can just be rich, but like, someone's got to work at the fucking factories. Someone's got to work at McDonald's. Someone's got to work. You know, not everybody can come to America and just be rich, okay? Somebody's got to work, and it ain't gonna be me, all right? It ain't gonna be me, baby. It ain't gonna be me, baby. Am I gonna trade? I mean, we're looking. I like this little pullback here. If this 5-minute candle kind of pulls back and wicks maybe like down into here and then puffs back up, that might be a long setup. But for right now, just kind of waiting to see what happens. I mean, it's just kind of stuck here for now. I think like maybe back above the 30s, right? Back above the 30s, things could get interesting. Yeah, see, it's kind of like it's trying. It's trying to do something here. I'm gonna try a long. Oh, that was a bad entry. But it looks like it wants to pop. So let's see what happens here. Got a new hourly candle just open. That 5-minute candle wicked down there. Like I said, kind of looking at this 5-minute chart, right? We had that wick down, another wick back up. So I like the longs here. I might be wrong, but I like the longs for now. Can we get more momentum to the upside? The ES is squeezing up right now. ES is pushing. Can the Nasdaq make a new high? I think so. I like it. Either way, I mean, it's a doable setup, right? It's there. We're going. They're holding the 30,000s. Be looking for, I like maybe up into this 50 area and then maybe some more up there for a new high push. Can you take me higher? Higher, higher. Some guy in the chat said 1,000 put contracts on IBIT. Expiry today. What do you think? Yeah, I mean, I don't know what that means, but that sounds terrible. That does not sound good. That does not sound good. That does not sound good. We're trading minis right now. We're trading minis. Maybe pop, maybe drop. I mean, I think as long as we hold the 30s here, we can hold this 30,000 level, we should be good for these longs. It's just a question of, can you sit through the chop here now? So, painful. this EMA right now, trying to hold us up there, but it's kind of stair-stepping right now. Kind of stair-stepping right now, man. Yeah, we're trading multiple accounts, correct. Multiple accounts with copy trading. Multiple accounts. High Trader goes 1.2 million subs and don't know what a put option is. Mind blowing. What's a put option? Guys, what is a put option? I've never heard of this before. Guys, will somebody teach me about what a put option is? I'm still learning. What is a put option? Is that, how do you buy the put option? Is that, I'm confused. What is the puts? What is the put option? I've never known this. For 10 years I've been on YouTube and I've never heard of a put option. You fucking idiot. All right, well, Nasdaq just chopping here. Pulling back right now, not looking too hot. If we lose 30,000s, I'm gonna get out. You can see, kind of pulling back here again. We tried to go higher. We tried. We tried, Jet. Hi Trader, you're the fucking idiot for coming onto this live stream and paying $5 to ask if it's a good idea to buy put options. You're sitting here talking shit to me, you idiot. Like, imagine, hey everybody, I need some advice on my investments. I'm gonna go ask some random YouTuber if it's a good idea to go short. I mean, what do you want me to do about it? You fucking idiot. God. I think it's a terrible idea. Is that what you want me to say? I think it's a terrible fucking idea. But you do you, baby. Just stuck here now. I thought we'd get more momentum today with this. We had news, 9:45 news, 10 o'clock news, but you can see now. You're just stuck here now. It happens. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. I thought the 5-minute chart looked promising for a minute, but the ES, look at the ES. ES is making new highs. Right, so the ES is making new highs. Nasdaq's going nowhere. I don't know. Yeah, coming back down here now. Let's see what happens. We lose that 30,000s. We're out of the trade. And yeah, we're stopped out there. Ugh. Right back down. Is what it is. Now we gotta get stopped. We got stopped out there and it's gonna bounce here. Classic. Patrick, do you ever take trades based off of Nvidia? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy boy. Frank Davis says, fade Patrick and make money all day long. I mean, I don't know about that. What do you do when I have a winning trade? What are you gonna do about that? It's hard to fade me if I'm winning, right? I mean, I don't know. What would you do here, Frank? Frank, we got long here and it pushed up to here. Would you have faded that? Because you would have lost money. And then would you have faded these accounts? Because you would have lost money, Frank. So I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I don't know what you want me to say. Everybody's got something to say, but nothing to play. Play, 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 play. Well, as you can see, chat, 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 chop, chop, chop. Chat, 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 pop, pop, pop. How many shares in a contract? 1 million. 1 million shares per contract. Well, as you can see, we can't break below like 30,000 with any type of conviction so far. So we got wick, wick, wick there. Going nowhere as of right now. Hourly chart, we did wick down. So they did wick down there. If you guys have not hit that like button, we got a 1,400 likes. Get 1,500 here, baby. Let's go. Let's go. 1,500. You know, I watched a thing the other day. The psychiatrist talking about how, you know, like celebrities and people online, why do people get, why do haters exist? Why are there so many haters? You know, I think people just, like, it's always been like that since the dawn of time. You know, people just want somebody to you know, like they want someone to project their problems with. Kirsch says you're not a celebrity. I mean, am I not a celebrity? I think I'm a celebrity. I sign autographs, but you know, whatever, man. Whatever, man. Whatever, man. Haters gonna play. I mean, I don't think how am I not a celebrity? I get more views on this live stream every day than anybody in this industry. I would 100% say I'm a hater. I'm a hater. I would say I'm a celebrity, okay? How's the trading competition going? I was trying to see the updates. We have not gotten updates yet. I don't know what's going on. We got the Legends Cup going on right now. Legends Cup. It's going down. No updates yet. Still waiting to see what the fuck is going on here. So, no updates yet. We'll have an update hopefully later on today. We've got the Legends Cup going on right now. So, The chat is absolutely cooked. You guys are I mean, it's all good. I take more, guys, I take more trades live on YouTube than anybody else in this entire space, right? I take more trades than anyone else, right? I can't help it that some of the trades are going to be losing trades. It happens, right? Sometimes I have 10 in a row that are winning. Sometimes I have 10 in a row. You know, I trade more than anybody else, you know. So I don't know why I get so much hate for having losing trades. I don't really understand that. Whatever, you know. I mean, we're green in the accounts that matter. So, Christopher Phyllis, you don't take more trades than FSP. I do. I took 10 trades last night. Literally took 10 trades last night live on YouTube. All those trades last night were winners. So, I mean, that was an hour of trading. So, I mean, you know, hey, I don't know what else to do. Do I think Asia is better than New York? No. I mean, New York's good when it's good. And it's bad when it's bad. You don't really give a shit what people think, do you? No, not really. When I'm flying around on my helicopter, you know, I don't think about it. You know, when I'm in my helicopter flying around, I just think to myself, I look down and I don't see any of the haters because they're all on the fucking ground. Look at my helicopter. I go above the haters. I fly above the haters. The haters can't see me because I'm in the helicopter. The helicopter. Right now, Nasdaq pulling back here. Back down there to the 15-minute range. See what happens. 940s or so. All right, well, pulling back here hard right now. Will there be a bounce off the 15-minute range now? $1 million question. It's the $1 million question. I'm still looking for a possible reversal. If this 5-minute chart sets up, I think there's a reversal forming here. If we can just need a little bit of a pullback before getting through those highs, maybe. Right? I don't know. The update for the tournament. Oh no, there's Legends Trading. Legends Trading. I think it was what, BDH comp? Yeah, BDH comp, right? Yeah. This is the link there for the Legends tournament. Nice little bounce here so far. This is kind of what I was looking for, but need to be a little bit of patient here. A little bit of patience. Need a little bit of patience here. That 5-minute candle just opened. We want to see a little bit of a push back down and then a push back up here. Right, we need to put another wick in here. If we could put like a wick on this 5-minute candle like into this area and then pop right back up, I might look for a long setup. What does BDH mean? It means big dick house. Big dick house. Stuck there at that EMA for now. I think this is a long setup. I just need to get a little bit more confirmation here. Need a little bit more confirmation here. When will AMC squeeze? Probably never. Probably never. Probably never. Well, she's holding. That 5-minute candle looks pretty good. I'm gonna try a long here. Let's see if we can't push back up towards 30,000s again. I won't be too greedy with it. Well, almost. Ugh. Don't you hate that? When you're like, oh, okay. Don't you hate that? When it just goes straight to your fucking target? Let's get it. Oh, my lord. There we go. From the 980s up there, 991, little longa donga. So like you can see here, 5-minute chart, right? We had the wick, that 960 wick on that candle. We had a big wick down and thinking that we could get a push back up here. So there it is, back up there to the 30,000. So I want W's in the chat. Where's the guy earlier said he was going to fade me on every single trade? What happened to him? Where'd he go? Why'd he leave? Why'd he leave, man? Why'd that guy leave? Did he blow up? Oh my lord, what happened? He gone. That boy gone. Anybody holding along for the entire day? No, not right now. Not right now. It's not right now. All right, well, that does look pretty good. The longs look pretty good now off that 5-minute chart. So See if we get like another bull flag set up, maybe. Right, get another bull flag set up. Could be some action there, bull flagging. Bull flagging. Nice push though, up there to 30,000. She's going. If you took that long there, congratulations. That was a nice little long from the 81s now up there above 30,000s. Gotta love it. How has this year's trading profits going for you, not counting affiliates? I mean, I've only made $5 billion trading this year, so I don't know. Not too good, you know, not too good. Not very good trading profits. Not very good, not very good. Only 5 billion, I know, it's a problem. That guy said that he was fading me was the easiest strategy ever. Clearly, my friend. People always ask me, like, Patrick, do you make money? I said, well, you know, sometimes I do. This is my live personal account. To be honest, I haven't really been trading a ton in this account lately, but you can see for the year right now, we're up $110,000. So, I mean, I understand the skepticism, right? I do understand it. But I mean, the proof is in the pudding. You know? The proof is literally in the pudding. Nasdaq still pushing. Still going higher. So much for those short. Oh my God, look at this thing. Would you just look at it? Look, oh my Lord, look at that. Well, if you took a long from the 980s, you're pretty happy. You're pretty happy. That 5-minute chart, just kind of recap here, that 5-minute chart, right? What are we looking at here? We had the 15-minute range, right, being support, kind of looking at that. And then we had a wick on this candle. We had a wick on this candle. And then see how we had a wick? This candle opened up red. It pulled back, it put a wick in there, and then we got long for that continuation back to the upside there. So, you know, pretty good. Pretty good. I still am amazed earlier when all the people talking about how I never explained my strategy ever. I'm like, the strategy of making money? That one? What EMA am I using? This is the 21 EMA. That blue line's the 21. And then on the 1-minute chart, we've got the 9 EMA. So might be bull flagging for more push here. The ES made a new high already. The Nasdaq still kind of lagging here. Going into 1130. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try a quick long there for a continuation play. Kind of a FOMO entry there, but it did pop that little high right there. So it's looking for kind of another breakout and then try to get up there towards like the 55, 60 area, possibly. Oh, that looks good. That's 10 points, by the way. 10 points. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Yeah, I mean, sometimes you just got to get in, honestly. KKK said, time to get short. I mean, I don't think so. Not yet. So, what's the promo code for Lucid? Fucking PW, baby. Can I get some more W's in there? We're up $5,000 here in these Tradeify accounts right now. $5,000 in the Tradeify accounts. You gotta love it. And then we're up 4,000 times 5. I think that's 20,000 on the Lucid account. So, to all the people out there that faded me today, just want to say, use that code PW. Hey, use that code PW. You know? If you faded me, use that code PW. Thanks for the support. Still pushing. All the way up there to the highs now. There we go. What a move. Guys, come on. I don't want to like toot my own horn here, but that long at the 980s getting back above that EMA was pretty fucking pretty much on point, boys. You know, that was pretty fucking on point. I was pretty fucking on. Pretty fucking on point. You know? PW, when are we going to have a girl trader at the BDH? I don't know. Oh, I'm pretty happy with that overall on the day. Could I have traded better? I mean, maybe. So kind of is what it is. This is that moment of time where you're like, do I keep going? Do I try to make more money? You know, do I want to make more? You know, how greedy do I want to be, kind of thing. It's always, you know. Neural Hudda FX said, he just discovered my channel today. Can you explain why you use the 9 EMA in the 1 minute and the 20 minute and the 20 EMA on the 5 minute? Because that's what I do. There's really no explanation, right? There's no reason. Like, I can't like be like, well, the reason that I do this, you know, like there's not really much like of a reason to do it. So I use the 9 EMA on the 1 minute chart because I think that it kind of gives me a better entry. And then on the 5 minute chart, I think it's just better to have like a little bit, you know, bigger of a time frame on that. So yeah, I don't know. Oh, which faction of the Targaryen? I mean, definitely the Blacks. Come on now. Come on. I mean, even though Rhaenyra is retarded, but so who knows? Pretty good setup here either way. I'm gonna go pee real quick. Oh my god, my back. Oof. I gotta clean my back. Banana, 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 FIFA banana. Well, I mean, you know, not really much to do here at this point. I think we got a really good setup for a pushback up, and I'll just be patient. Maybe we pull back, you know, into that EMA again there on the 5-minute chart, kind of retest into this area would make sense, maybe. Or we just kind of bull flag out of here. We'll see what happens. PW, are you gonna watch the USA versus Belgium later? I got work to do. I don't watch men chasing balls. I'm not a ball chaser, you know. I just don't like chasing balls. I don't like chasing balls, you know what I mean? Should we get Terry Trades as a BDH? Maybe. Anthony said, go wash your fucking hands. Hey, Anthony, go fuck yourself. My dick ain't dirty. Don't you worry about me, buddy. I'm at my house and I'm not gonna wash my hands. Dudes are weird. There's some weird dudes in the chat, I swear. I like such a weird dudes in the chat. Very weird people in this chat sometimes. They're also very weird. Well, as you can see, Nasdaq pulling back into that fair value gap for now. Will we bull flag out of here? PW Lucid Pro account still showing daily loss limit. Guys, they took it away. Their website's not updated. I'm not customer service. If you don't believe me, don't believe me. I don't tell you. So right now, just kind of holding up here at the highs. I think at this point, you got to be pretty happy, you know, with whatever you made today. If you made money today, you should be happy, right? I mean, there's not really much else to do. Maybe there's another long here. Above 50s again, another long. It's kind of looking like that, huh? Do we try it? Do we try it? I'm hesitant. Let's try it. We're going to try it. Can we pop up through here? Can we pop up, poppity pop, pop, pop? I want one more. One more banger. One more banger. One more banger. One more is all it takes to make you fall in love with me. The possibilities. That's 10 points. 10 points. 10 points. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. 10 points. Just kidding. Some woman in the chat said short. Yeah, shut up, bitch. Shut up, bitch. Short my dick. God. Don't come into my chat and while I'm long say it's a short, okay? Don't even do it. Don't even do it. Because you're going to get put right back in the kitchen where you belong. Go make me a sandwich and shut up. All right, just go make me a goddamn sandwich and shut up. Oh my God, 62s. Do we take the 10 points? Fuck. Ugh. It was so close. It was so close, but yet so far. It's gonna chop now. Yeah, it looks like it. Thank God. Just chop city. Fucking me in the butt. It's karma. It's karma for me. I'm getting karma right now. The karma is real. I never should have told that woman to go make me a sandwich. Now I'm gonna lose. All because of the karma. It's karma, chat. Fucking karma, man. Was she right? I mean, we were up 10 points. I don't know. Is she right? Is she wrong? Who knows? Look, she's gonna make me a sandwich either way. We good, don't worry. Life's good. No problem here. We got an update on the leaderboard? On the battle right now, there's an update? Let me see. Trying to give it a little bit of room here. I'm almost tempted just to take it off and lock it in here, but I'm trying to see if we can't get that full 20 points. So that way I can say, there it is! But I might just take it right there. Hey, there it is. There it is. Now I'll go get your ass back in the kitchen, woman, and make me a sandwich. Fucking short my dick. Yeah, you talk. What are you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about? Get out of here, girl. Get out of here. Don't ever take advice from a woman, men. Listen up. Listen up. Number one rule in life, right? You don't take advice from women, no matter what they say. It don't matter. You just say, nope. Nope. Look at that. Up there to the 72s now. That's 20 points. Don't ever let a woman give you advice. Don't. There's a reason that God made women, and it wasn't to give men advice. It was to make the babies. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, chat. You gotta love it. You just gotta love it. All right, we're going to the tournament page. Let's see who the leaderboard is now. Oh fuck. We got a leaderboard update here. D Money's up almost $3,000. Kellyanne. Where's Denny at? What the fuck is Denny doing? Where the fuck is Denny at? Uh-oh, we got a lot of red on the chart here. Dude, is Denny even in here right now? Where's Denny at? Where's Denny at? Denny, where are you? Denny, where's Denny at? Where's Denny at? Where's Denny? Dude, Denny's not even on here. Oh my God, he's down. Never mind. Number 26. God damn it, Denny. What are you? Denny's fired. Denny's fired. Denny's out of here. Get him out of here. He's fired. God damn it, Denny. Denny. Who's Denny up against? That's what we need to see. I need to see the bracket. I need to see his bracket again. Hold on a second. We need his bracket. To pull his bracket up. Denny, if you don't win this tournament, you are fired. You're out of here, bro. You gotta get... God, you cannot represent me like that. Yo, what is happening with this thing right now? I think that something's wrong. How did he already... People are already advancing? Dude, what is happening? How are people already advancing right now? All right, what's prolonged wealth at? All right, Denny, prolonged wealth he's up $191. Don't you worry, Denny. You can do this. You can do it, Denny. Bull flags and bear flags, baby. Looks like right now we got D Money in the lead. Keep this up, D Money. Keep it up. Mighty Ox, where's this motherfucker at? Oh, he's up $300. You good, D? Don't press it, D. Don't press it. Don't press it right now. Just let it ride. Let it ride. All right. All right. All right. Let it ride, D Money. Let it ride. Let's see how Brian Stonk's doing. Stonkulate. Stonky. Oh, is that smart prop firm? He's not even traded yet. Oops. Oopsies. Oopsies. All right, well, we've got our top 3 right now. Top 5. Top 5 right now, baby. Keep it up. It's a head-to-head bracket, so the leaderboard really doesn't matter. All that really matters is the bracket right now. So it looks like D-Money, as long as he doesn't fuck up, he'll be good. He just needs to keep it going. Well, I don't know why this guy... I think something must be messed up here. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I think the leaderboard or something's not right with the leaderboard right now. Who's gonna come out on top? Come on, D-Money. I need D-Money to make it to the finals at least. I need D-Money to make it to the finals. We got D-Money coming up here at 12 o'clock. That's right. That's right. D-Money coming up at 12 o'clock. It's a 2-day tournament, by the way. 2-day tournament. So anything's possible. You gotta sign the leaderboard is inside the dashboard at legendstrading.com. You can see right now kind of where we're at. You got Denny and the tranny fighting for 25th spot. You gotta love that. 25th spot, Denny. Come on, Denny. You gotta beat the fucking tranny, bro. You gotta at least beat the... Don't let the tranny take you down, Denny. You know they say, if one man can hold you down, 2 trannies can rape you. True story. Oh, we got Uncle Bugatti in the chat. Uncle Bugatti talking shit. He's in the chat. He's ready to party. As you can see, Nasdaq still goes higher. Still goes higher. Still goes higher. Where are you at, Bugatti? What do you got? Who's up Bugatti up against right now? Where's it? What do you even? What's your fucking profile picture? Oh, it's a Bugatti. Chris FX. Looks like he has not made any trades yet. Doesn't look like it. It's not even on here. Has he not put a trade on yet? Uncle Bugatti, don't blow it, bro. Don't blow it. Don't fucking blow it. Look at that. We got Olympic Merchant. He's up. Mexican guy. He's up $7,000 today. You gotta love it. He must have been watching my live stream. I think that's what he was doing. He was watching my live stream because look, we're up 20,000 trading in these Lucid accounts. So that must mean that he's been watching my live stream. We're up 5,000 in those accounts. I was gonna do the tournament, but you know, I didn't want to just fucking rape everybody. I would have Uncle Bugatti, I would have fucking bent you over and raped your little fucking Asian butthole. It wouldn't even been a challenge. It would have absolutely fucking destroyed you. You're lucky. You're lucky. Right now, the Nasdaq just pushing higher, 20,070s. So, chill out before YouTube cancels me. They're not going to cancel me. I just said I'm going to rape Bugatti's little Asian butthole. That's all. That's not gay. Trader Yush says PW when I win 20,000 one. Shut up, Trader Yush. First off, who the fuck is Trader Yush? Secondly, who the fuck is Trader Yush? First off, who the fuck is Trader Yush? Bro, how are you gonna win? What are you talking about? You're literally down 2,500 bucks right now. How you gonna win, sir? How you gonna win the tournament when you're it says you're red? Oh, it's not updated? Trader Yush. Trader Yush, I could out trade with my eyes closed, bro. I could literally, with my eyes closed. With my eyes closed, I'd out trade you. You just look at you. Look at that little face. That's a face that only a dick could love. Only a dick. Looks like you got slapped a few times in that dick looking face. Face dick. You got dick looking. God. Imagine thinking that some guy named Trader Yush, he thinks he can beat me. Look, come on. I mean, come on, chat. That is a face only a mother would love. Look at that thing. He's even got the lips out, ready for the dickin'. He's ready for the dickin'. He gonna get it. Trader Yush. You gotta get out of here, boy. Get out of here. Shit. This guy's about to slap that ass. You gotta get a new profile picture, Yush. I'm not even being an asshole, but like, bro, what are you doing here? Come on, you gotta change this. You gotta fix this. You gotta. I mean, come on, update that profile picture. Update it. First off, what are you wearing a Tommy Hilfiger shirt? Are you gay? Why are your lips pursed like that? What is this? What kind of was this on the fucking Riz podcast? Did you go on the Riz podcast? I already knew it. Bunch of dick sucking motherfuckers. God damn it. God damn it. Oh, I should have known it. I should have known. Look at this guy. He's got a $99 a month monthly membership. You get live trading sessions, daily order flow breakdowns, full education library, session recordings, private Discord community. Oh my God. And guess what? Don't worry. There's a mentorship launching soon. He's got a mentorship launching soon. One-on-one coaching. All right, first off, Yush. Can we break something down really quickly here? Can we break something down? I'm turning the music off for this. All right, so you're telling me that you make all this money trading, right? You make all this money trading and it's easy, right? Trading is so easy, right? So explain to me, how the fuck are you able to waste an hour of your time doing one-on-one coaching? I mean, I'm just being honest. Explain to me, if you could make $600,000 trading, why would you waste a minute of your time doing one-on-one coaching? You know, I'm trying to figure that out. Oh, you're not doing the coaching. Oh, he's not doing the coaching. He's just selling a mentorship. No, you motherfucker. It says on your website, one-on-one coaching with Yush. Are you miss fucking leading people? Are you misleading people? It says one-on-one coaching with Yush. And the deepest LAF model breakdown available. Sir, are you lying to people? 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 You're a liar, aren't you? Why are you lying to people? One-on-one coaching with Yush. I'm sorry, man. You got to get your shit together. Get your shit together. Because like I said a million times, and I'll say it again, if you could make money day trading for an hour a day, if you make $20,000, $30,000 trading a day, why would you waste even 1 minute of your time doing mentoring? You know why? At what cost? So if you get paid, I get paid $1,000 an hour to do one-on-one mentorship. I'm just trying to figure out, like, how does that make sense? Right? Does that make sense to anybody? You know, that's all I'm wondering. I'm just wondering, right? Why would you waste any of your time? You post on Twitter, you said you made $600,000 in the last 3 months, right? You made $600,000 in the last 3 months, which I'm not even gonna, ask about that, but you made $600,000 in the last 3 months. So let's do the math on that, right? Like, I don't know. Let's say you trade for 5 hours a day, right? 5 hours a day for 3 months. We'll just call it 90. Well, not 90. We'll say 60 days. 5 times 60, right, is 300. So if you made $600,000 and you divide it by 300, that's $2,000 an hour that you made, right? Right? So you made $200,000. So I'm trying to figure out, how much is your one-on-one mentorship going to be worth to you? You know what I mean? I'm just trying to figure that out. That's all. That's all I'm trying to figure out. Why would anybody who can make $600,000 over a 3-month period, why would they waste even a minute of their time doing a one-on-one mentorship? You know? That's all I'm trying to figure out. That's all I'm trying to figure out. You know? I'm not trying to be a hater. I'm just trying to figure it out. That's all. But yeah, props to you, man. Props to selling a $99 a month Discord ship. Which, again, I don't know why anybody would pay $99 to join a fucking Discord. You'd have to be absolutely fucking retarded. I paid $99 to join a Discord. What, the $99? Get out of here. Get out of here. Trader Yush said, thank you, bro. Keep killing it. Hey, thanks, Yush. You keep killing it too, my friend. Make sure you use that code PW. Uncle Bugatti said that some people pay $6,000 for a mentorship. Well, fucking A, boy. Buck a day. I don't know. I'm just saying. All I'm wondering is, all these gurus that are doing mentorships and one-on-one, like, I don't know about all that, I don't know about all that. Oh, $6,000 a day average if he's making $600,000 over a 3-month period. I like it. Oh, I like this one. I like when they do guys, look at my screenshot. Look at my screenshot of the proof. Look, the proof is there. You can see it. Look, I posted this on Twitter. I posted the screenshot, Twitter. I posted it on Twitter. Hey, look at my proof. Can't you see it? Look, here's my proof. Here's my proof. Here's my proof. Oh, man. Hey, also, I want to tell you all a little secret, right? You want to hear a little secret? This is a scam, right? This is a scam. If a guru or anybody's posting their take profit trader payouts from this page, that means they're scamming you. That's called being a scam. Because Take Profit Trader combines your affiliate commission with your wallet. So when you do a withdrawal request, it looks like this, right? It looks like this, but it's affiliate and trading money. Just putting that out there. It is a scam. So it's a scam. It's a scam. Okay? It's a scam. Man. Yush, dude, you got to get back to that tournament, bro. Get back to the tournament, man. You got to get back to that tournament, man. Because you're getting cooked right now, sir. You're getting cooked. If y'all want to see all my payouts, look at all my. You want to see my payouts? These are my Take Profit Trader payouts. Look at how many payouts I've gotten. Man, I'm so good. Should I post? I'm gonna post this on the internet. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. $20,000 every day. Okay? Okay, look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Look at that. Is that good profits? Is that good profits? Is that good profits? We got D-Money coming up here at 12 o'clock. I wanted to see if there's going to be an update here on the leaderboard. No update yet. So we'll let D-Money update it here in a minute. So we'll see what happens. I want to see what the leaderboard ends up being at the end of the day. We've got the biggest and the largest. We're getting ready here for D-Money coming up. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button. If you have not hit that like button, you've not hit that subscribe button, you already know what to do. We love you. We need you. We'll see you later on. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Peace to the Middle East. Shout out to D-Money coming up here real soon. Peace. Peace. Peace.